is all about passion, and passion is all about craving. If you're food mad like us, then you're driven by the deep craving for that one specific food. And today, we're craving meetha.
I like sweets. I'm a sucker for sweets.
I love meetha.
Kaju barfi is my favorite. And jalebi.
Rasmalai, gulab jamun, khoya barfi.
What are you doing?
I'm whispering sweet nothings in your ears.
How lovely. What a romantic thought. Thank you. Delhi's palate for the sweets is inexhaustible. We have always loved sweet things in this part of the country, and this rasmalai denotes exactly that. If it's milky, if it's sweet, if it's got saffron, then Delhiites will love it. And this rasmalai is a testament to exactly that. Oh, look at it. It's soft and tender. The sweet goodness of thickened milk, which is this, makes it a really delightful sweet indeed. And when you're craving for something sweet, and your loved one is or is not there, which is completely irrelevant. Mithai is how you should do it. Yes.
Excuse me, sir.
Please.
Stop saying things are nice. How am I going to ask for new things to try?
ठीक है
Yeah, मजा नहीं आया.
थोड़ा गुलाब जामुन ट्राई
Every wedding you go to in North India, gulab jamun and vanilla ice cream or rabdi, one of those things is always there. But the gulab jamun, ever present.
What is gulab jamun? Basically khoya roasted till it gets this really nice brown top, and inside squishy with a nice little filling of pista, and then soaked in sugar syrup. And you will be very hard pressed to find a Delhiite who doesn't like this. लेकिन ये भी है
Oh, sorry.
ठीक है
ठीक है भाई साहब, मजा नहीं आया कुछ. रसगुल्ला try कीजिए, रसगुल्ला. And here's what we've done with the rasgulla in Delhi. A, it's much softer than you would find rasgullas in Bengal or anywhere else. So, very tender, very soft, and not as sweet as you would think it would be. In fact, Delhiites like their rasgullas not too sweet. Oh, this is a mighty sweet indeed. And over the decades, it's come to represent everything that's good about that sweet craving you get when you're in India and your shoulders start doing this.
but this one is okay
मजा नहीं आया कुछ.
ठीक है सर बर्फी ट्राई कराइए
Barfi is the stalwart, the backbone of mithai. Along with the laddu, the barfi is everywhere for any festive occasion, for any joyous occasion. Please try some, yeah. Please try कीजिए.
Now barfi can come in many different forms, and the topping can vary. This, for example, is a chocolate topping. Not really chocolate, but it's called the chocolate barfi topping. But here's a little factoid. See that stuff in there? That silver thing? That is called bark, and that is actual silver that's used.
Wow.
Because अच्छी है, लेकिन
It's nice. But the real Delhi palate punch comes from the taste of milk sweets. Sir, कोई दूध वाली मिठाई खिलाइए कोई. This, the Kalakand, is one of those things that represents milk and sweets really well. Take a look at the cross section. What a milky, chewy, gooey, soft, fluffy, shreddy taste of sweet and goodness.
ठीक है, लेकिन
Milk cake, man, milk cake.
मिल्क केक ट्राई कराइए.
And here is a magnificent milk cake known in some parts as palang tot. And why is it called palang tot? Palang means bed and tot means break. If you eat enough of this, you will break your bed by doing unspeakable things. Not when we are hanging out together. No
Please
bed is
step away from me, madam.
Trust me. I would have turned my back towards you, but I'm scared. I will stay side on.
Palang Tod is another sweet that's based on milk, comes from khoya, and then they char it. Look at that. So you get a slightly caramelized taste, and it's okay.
So, सब कुछ हमने ट्राई किया है. अब ऑर्डर ले लीजिए आप प्लीज. जरा भूलिएगा मत. एक रसगुल्ला पैक कर दीजिए प्लीज. गिफ्ट है. बस एक रसगुल्ला. एक.
Oh, I don't think he's very happy with us. But here's the thing. We may have been saying that everything is just so-so. Mithas in Anandlok, opposite Gargi College in Delhi, is actually a fabulous place to go to for sweets. And each and every one of these sweets that we've tried is fantastico. When you come here, whether it's the rasmalai or the gulab jamun or the barfi or the kalakand or the... Stop me before I bite you.
I can see it now.
Everything is delicious.
But their rasmalai is brilliant, as are their gulab jamun. So those are the two must tries when you come over here. And when did it open? Remember this song forever. It was the summer of '69.
Remember the bit about doing impulsive things.
Sugar buzz. Thank you. Oh, what a big order. Very heavy.
You want to share half, huh?
मैं यहाँ की मशहूर जलेबी खा रहा हूँ जो कि 30 साल पुरानी है.
जो जलेबी यहाँ मिलती है उसका कोई कंपटीशन नहीं है.
जब भी चांदनी चौक आओ जलेबी जरूर खाओ.
ये फेमस जलेबी वाला शॉप है. यहाँ से मैं जलेबी पैक करा के अपने हस्बैंड के लिए लेके जा रही हूँ. ये बहुत डिफरेंट है टेस्ट में. आपने ऐसी कहीं और टेस्ट नहीं की होगी.
साइज बहुत बड़ा होता है इसका और टेस्ट बहुत अच्छा होता है.
औसम टेस्ट तो बहुत अच्छा है इसका.
हमारी जलेबी कभी खट्टी नहीं होती है. लोगों को उस चीज को बहुत पसंद करते हैं.
The old famous jalebi wala or the Nemchand jalebi wala makes a really hot, well cooked, almost caramelized, big, fat jalebi. And take a look at how fat that jalebi is. Oh, this is the 5th generation. There's a young man called Abhishek who sits over there. In flawless English, he asks you what your order is. And this place has been around since 1884. Making this jalebi that is well loved in Delhi and from everyone who comes from outside.
What exactly is jalebi? It is food of the gods. Basically, it's just refined flour, deep fried, and then soaked in sugar syrup. And it's served with this wonderful little thing called rabdi. And you know what? This is what Delhi craves for. Summer, winter, autumn, monsoon, ever and ever.
When you get a craving for this jalebi, it cannot be satisfied by too many across the country. A, it's deep fried in desi ghee. B, it is a really fat jalebi. C, it's not too sweet so you can just eat all of it. And D, the rabdi that it goes with is cooling, refreshing and pretty fantastic. So when your itch for this rabdi starts, only this rabdi can satisfy it.